How's it going, YouTube? And welcome to a new first timers video. And today we're going to be talking about bug zappers and actually doing an unboxing of a bug zapper from a company called Homesuit, purchased off of Amazon. And definitely want to actually just kind of give you guys a little bit of info about bug zappers and actually the current one that I use right now, as well as why I'm adding this one to the kind of the bug zapping family here. But obviously the first thing that I do want to let you guys know is obviously this does say it can be used outside. So with weather, obviously it takes 15 watts of power and up to 200 meter squared, it looks like, area. So that's actually very cool. I know the one that I currently have here, which is by Black Flag, pretty much claims it'll do about, I think it was like a ½ acre or something like that. So pretty much you do have to run these little mosquito attractants to the actual zapper, so they'll actually zap mosquitoes. Now a lot of people think that you can just actually go and plug these in and then they'll start working. They'll start killing a lot of other, how can I say this, natural life or natural flying insects that are good to the environment. Keep in mind, we're not trying to eradicate a lot of mosquitoes, but we do want to keep them down while we're in the backyard. So a big recommendation for me to you guys is pretty much only use these 30 minutes before you're going to be outside, and use them while your guys are outside, and then turn them off when you're done. Don't leave them on 24/7, all that fun stuff, just because it will kill a lot of good insects like bees and stuff like that if you leave them on during the day. So definitely, like I said, just try to aim them to when you're outside and all that fun stuff. I do use a smart plug that will actually turn these on either at a desk before we're going to come outside, or I can manually turn them on my cell phone and go whoop, and it's on. But I know a lot of you guys probably want to take a look at this guy. So I'll do an unboxing of the insect killer here, so you guys can definitely take a look at it, just because it is a very cool, it's actually very cool. I'm very excited to take a look at it and see how it looks compared to this guy. Obviously you could tell by the box it's probably going to be a little smaller, but that's okay. But we'll take a look. Anyway, let's jump into the unboxing portion. I'm pretty impressed on how much information that they actually were able to put on the box, from pretty much the safety to directions of use, how you should actually throw away the box and the material. So that actually kind of makes me happy. So it is, again, made by a company called Homesuit, and the box feels very snug, so it feels like everything inside should be packaged very well. Obviously it comes from Amazon, so it'll come, it came in an additional Amazon box. Other than that, it's very, like I said, it's very, very nice, and I'm hoping it's going to be just about the same size as the other guy, which it already does look like it is. Right now it comes with instructions, warranty card, and a brush. Now this little brush is good to be used for the item, to clean the metal bug zapper grid. So you'll be able to actually just brush it out and clean it. So it actually looks very cool, very simple. So that's actually pretty cool. The Black Flag did not come with it, but yeah, I typically just use an air blower to blow things out. Now, as far as the removal of the bottom base, it's just literally a quick turn out, and you can get right into the actual UV bulb as well. So literally just keep rotating until it actually comes out, and the bulb literally slides right out. So it's very simple and easy to get to. Literally a screw-in UV bulb, and you just screw in and unscrew. So like I said, it looks very well made so far. Obviously the plastic's not as thick as the Black Flag, but I do like the look of this particular unit over the Black Flag. If you were going to be running this inside, I feel like it will kind of blend better than the Black Flag. The Black Flag looks like you just need to keep it outside, and it's that type of outside unit that would, you just can't really run inside, but you could. It just, like I said, for me, this one kind of looks a little nicer. Now it does look like the notches need to be in a specific order, so let me turn it over one more just to see if that works there, and there you go. Yeah, so it looks like it needs to be in a specific order. Now the power cable actually looks really amazing here. The power cable is actually, I believe it's a 53 inches long, as they said, or 51 inches, one of the two. So pretty much the length of this cable is definitely much better than the Black Flag by far. So I'm actually pretty excited that they actually were able to give this type of cable on here. Now I'm not sure why Black Flag didn't do this, but it was, it would have been nice because I actually had to buy a little extension cord to actually get my Black Flag to work. Here's the cable on this one, and you can kind of see that it literally just goes right there. So it almost just looks like it's like a 1 foot cable, maybe a little longer, but other than that, it looks like it's gonna do its job just fine. All right guys, so far I'm loving this guy. It's very lightweight. It actually will look better inside if I need to put it inside for any reason to catch a mosquito or any other bugs. I am very stoked about that. So it does have a very nice look compared to this guy, where this guy actually looks like it needs to be outside. This Black Flag is like, I am an outdoor guy. I need to be outdoors. Like I said, this one's an outdoor guy too, but like I said, it could be thrown in the house if need be, and it'll actually look very nice. So other than that, it's not bad. Has a very good look. I am very excited to see what it's gonna do. I'm pretty sure it's gonna work just the same as this guy over here, but I will let you guys know in probably 3 or 4 weeks. And I can give you guys a kind of a big rundown on this guy here as well. But anyway guys, if you love this video, make sure you hit that like button. Definitely helps us with our engagement. Now if you also want to subscribe to the channel, that is awesome as well, so hit that subscribe button. We do a lot of stuff on our channel, from cars, motorcycles, home items, baby videos, as well as gaming and tech, so definitely come back. We do have a lot of stuff going on, and pretty much at some aspect of your life, I think you'll kind of cross back and forth between different things that we're doing, and it's just definitely a big help for a lot of people. Anyway guys, don't forget Instagram, Facebook, comment below if you have any questions. Anyway, see you guys later. Have a great day. Peace.